Hi, little artists! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw and color a cute strawberry. Are you ready? Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's start drawing with our black marker. We'll begin by drawing the pedicel and calyx of the strawberry. Great job! Now, let's draw the body of the strawberry. Awesome! Our strawberry is taking shape. Next, let's add some seeds to our strawberry. Our drawing is complete. Look at our dancing strawberry. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Look how nicely our strawberry is dancing. Now it's time to color. We will use some beautiful colors to make our strawberry look amazing. Let's start with bottle green color for the pedicel and calyx. Next, green color.
Awesome!
Now, let's add some light brown color for the seeds. And finally, red color for the body of the strawberry. Wow! Our cute strawberry looks fantastic. Nice job, everyone! Look at our beautifully colored strawberry. Keep practicing and being creative. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.